fun. Yes, we've had our ups and downs, been down that rocky road, but here we are still around. We thought about someone else, but neither one took the bait. We thought about breaking up, now we know it's much too late. We are bound by all the rest, like the same phone number, all the same friends, and the same address. Yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. I am happy to be stuck with you. Yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. I'm so happy to be stuck with you, 'cause I can see that you're happy to be stuck with me. We've had our doubts, we never took them seriously, and we've had our ins and outs, but that's the way it's supposed to be. We thought about giving up, but we could never stay away. We thought about breaking up, but now we know it's much